Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. In this video lecture series, we are going to start the MCQs lesson, daily MCQs lecture for the NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam. Daily 10 MCQs in 10 minutes we will cover so that your time will not be wasted. So daily we will launch till the 23rd of September before the day of the exam. So very fast we will cover 10 MCQs, and the questions are very important for the NABARD Grade A Phase 2. And in this video lecture we have covered these all MCQs from the Kurukshetra magazine of September month. So first paragraph, you may be aware about that paragraph based questions are being asked in the exam. So first to fifth question, you have to answer based on this following statement. A survey was launched in 2016-17 to gain deeper insights into the livelihood and financial inclusion aspects of households and bridge critical gaps in the understanding of the present rural financial inclusion scenario. With a sample of over 1.87 lakh members from 40,327 rural and semi-urban households from 29 states, 245 districts, and 2016 villages centers, the survey is expected to aid evidence-based policy making. The survey 2016-17 reflects the state of development in the rural India. Although the findings show a considerable interstate variation in terms of the progress achieved as measured by different indicators, the figures at national level may be used to gain a broad understanding of the status of the rural economy. So you can easily guess if you are preparing for the NABARD and then you have read this survey also. The survey was launched in 2016 for rural household financial inclusion survey related to rural household, that was the NAFIS NABARD annual financial in all India rural financial inclusion survey NAFIS. So the referred survey was released by the first question. So correct answer is NABARD. The NAFIS survey has been referred in the paragraph. NABARD All India Rural Financial Inclusion Survey 2016-17, very important as it is there in the Kurukshetra magazine of September. So last time the questions were asked from this survey also in the NABARD 2019 exam. So next question is, as per survey, nearly what percent of households reported having a bank account? So right answer is 88%. You can try to answer at your end also. Nearly 88% of the household reported having a bank account, 55% of agriculture household, and 46% of non-agriculture household reported any saving during the last year, and average saving were reported to be 18,007. This was the result of this NAFIS survey. Third question, the major contribution to total income for the agriculture household is from cultivation, wage labor, government or private service. So right answer is cultivation. Cultivation is the main contributor in the total income of the agriculture household. So the major contribution to the total income for the agriculture household is from cultivation 35% and wage labor 34%, while it is from wage labor 54% and government service for the non-agriculture household. NH means non-agriculture household. So next question is, the survey has estimated that average monthly income of the agriculture household is higher at as compared to rupees 27269 for non-agriculture household. So the answer for this is 8931 rupees 8931 per month is the average monthly income of the agriculture household as compared to the non-agriculture household. This all data is given in the NAFIS survey. As per survey, the crop insurance penetration is 4%, 6%, 12%, and 16%. So right answer is B. 6% is the right answer for this. Only about 1/4 of the household reported to have been covered under the one of the other type of insurance. Particularly with respect to crop insurance, the penetration is low at 7%. Sorry, 7% is the right answer. It is not 6, it is 7%. Next question. Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that agriculture production will have to increase by 60% by which year to satisfy the expected demand for food and feed. So right answer is 2050. This this question is taken from the September magazine, Kuchetra magazine. So next is India has been ranked dash in the production of the rice in the world. What is the rank of India in the production of the rice in the world? That is answer is A, first, second, third, fourth. What is the answer? Answer is second. India is largest producer, consumer and importer of the pulses in the world. India is also the largest producer of jute and the second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton and groundnuts, as well as the second largest producer of fruit and vegetable. Next question. The government has allocated dash rupees in the budget for the year 2020-21 for the agriculture and allied activities, irrigation and rural development, which is highest budget allocation till date. So what is the option? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? 2.83 lakh crore is the right answer. Next is an active surveillance system has also been developed to make in India free from foot and mouth disease. Foot and mouth disease, very important question for the NABARD exam. So what is the target year to make India free from the foot and mouth disease? Answer is B. 2024 is the right answer. Next question. After the first KVK in dash at Pondicherry under the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, their network has expanded to over 700 KVKs as of January 2020. KVK Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So first KVK was established in which year? 1969, 74, 85 and 98. So right answer is 1974. So these are 10 questions which are very important for this exam, which have been covered from the Kuchetra magazine of September month. So we will continue this series till the 23rd of September. Please follow us on your YouTube channel, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you. And these are our past performance. And these are our courses. You can subscribe. And we have launched the MCQ series and not MCQs, the mock test series for this NABARD Grade A exam, and that those mocks are on PDF based and similar to NABARD Grade A exam pattern, and all the mock test we are providing according to the latest current affair, not the old one. So thank you and happy learning.